This is Greg Shannon. I'm the product manager at Retro Manufacturing. Today what we're going to do is going to show you how to put together our Dallas radio. We're going to use our Motor 2A body to put the radio together. So first things, we're going to have our radio oriented with the Retro Manufacturing logo. RetroSound is going to face up. We're going to take our Dallas display. We're going to pull the ribbon cable from the front of the motor, connect it firmly into the plug on the back of the display. Tuck the wire in to the body. We're going to get to the side where there's two little screws here. In our orange bag, we have our body to face screws. These are real small screws, so be mindful of where they go. And those will go into each one. So, display face attached to our motor. Again, making sure the RetroSound logo is up so our display will read correctly. Then we're going to assemble the shafts for the radio. We're going to take one of our control shafts. It comes with a spacer. We're going to secure the spacer down with the shaft nut. Once we have that secured down, we're going to slide it through the back side of the radio. It's going to pull in, stop at the nut. Then on the front, we're going to add our black spacer. One washer. And a shaft nut. Give it a little bit of a turn. And use our nut driver just to secure it down. These don't have to be crazy tight, just a little bit. Then we'll move on to the next shaft. Slide it through the back, the little grooves and channeling. Through the back, make sure it's secure in there. Black spacer. Washer. Nut. Give it a little turn. And then secure it down. Once we have those secure, we're going to be sure we take and plug in our shafts into the side of the radio. Make sure they click in firmly. You'll hear it make a little click. We have our radio faced together. We're going to add our mounting brackets. We're going to use the ones for our Ford F-Series truck. On the side of the radio, there's the threaded holes and alignment tabs to put it on. Once you put that in place, you're going to use the supplied screws and secure those down. Make sure those are snug. Now have our display on, mounted securely, brackets on to mount into the dash. We'll add our knobs, rear knob, press those down, and the front knobs. And there we are, our Dallas ready to install into our car. Once we've done our wiring in the vehicle, we'll plug it in, mount it into the dash, and you're ready to go out and have some fun.